We will be looking at Pandas. Pandas is a powerful Python library used for data analysis and data manipulation. We will install Pandas. Type pip install Pandas and hit enter. It will take a while to get installed. During the installation, please be patient. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Once installed, Pandas will be ready to use. It will take few seconds to install the Pandas library. We will wait till Pandas gets installed. We can see that Pandas is installed successfully. This is a sample Excel file. It contains structured data for demonstration. The file includes columns like order ID and date. It also has customer name and quantity details. The data is organized in rows and columns. Each row represents a single record. Each column represents a specific attribute. This Excel file will be used for demo. Now let us move to the coding part. We will work with the Python code step by step. Jump back to the code editor. To read the Excel file. We will begin now. We will first import Pandas. PD type. Import Pandas as PD. This step is important. Please observe carefully. The pd.read_Excel method. It is used to read the file. We need to specify the path of Excel. Right-click on the click. We will copy the path of the Excel file. Let's store the data in the output variable. Output. Now, print the output. Print output. We have missed something. T in the output. Let us run the code. OK. Drag the output window. Wait for a while. OK. It will take few seconds. Watch the output in the output window. Notice. Pay attention to the output. You will get the error. You can see the error that OpenPixel is not installed. It is a Python library used to read, write, and modify Excel files. We will install OpenPyXL. Type on the command prompt. Pip install OpenPyXL. And hit enter. It will take a while to get installed. Once installed, verify that the installation completed successfully. We can now proceed to read Excel files. We have to mention the engine as OpenPyXL. Ensure no installation errors are shown. We'll make use of OpenPyXL. Type engine is equal to OpenPyXL. Now everything is ready. Let us execute the program. Run the file. You can see the output, the rows and columns of the Excel. Let's look at viewing and exploring methods. Now let us display the first few rows of the data. Type output. Head function. This command shows the top rows of the data frame. By default, it displays the first 5 rows. Save the file. Run the code. This helps us quickly review the data. You can see the records displayed in the command prompt. Now let us display the last few rows of the data. First we will comment out the existing print statement. Then, type print output. Tail function. This command shows the bottom rows of the data frame. By default, it displays the last 5 rows. This helps us quickly review the ending records. Save the file. Run the code. OK. You can see the records displayed in the command prompt. Now let us view the statistical summary of the data. First we will comment out the existing print statement. Then, type print output. Describe function. This command shows summary statistics for numeric columns. It includes count, mean, minimum, and maximum values. This helps us understand the data distribution. Save the file. Run the code. OK. You can see the records displayed in the command prompt. Now let us check the data types of each column. First we will comment out the existing print statement. Then, type print Output dot. Data types function. Type output dot types. This shows the data type assigned to every column. It helps us verify whether the data types are correct. Save the file. Run the code. OK. You can see the data types in the command prompt. Now let us focus on reading only the headers. If you want to get only the column names from the Excel, comment out the existing print statement. Now, type print output dot columns. Save the file. Let's run the code. OK. Please observe the result carefully. You can see the output listing all the columns. Before we proceed, we will prepare the console for the next step. Go to the command prompt. Let us clear the screen. Type CLS. Hit enter. Now let us work with specific columns. If you want to print the data, which is related to few columns, then we will use usecalls is equal to in an array. Type the column names, region, comma, product. OK. Remove the columns from the print statement. Save the file. Run the code. You will see the output. You will see region and product are printed. Now let us work with data operations. We can also sort the columns in ascending or descending order. This will help us organize the data better. Let us remove the columns which we have used in the usecalls array. Let me remove the print statement, which we have used earlier. Take variable sorted df is equal to output dot sort values in the bracket by is equal to inside string quotes type unit price, which is the name of the column. Print the sorted df. OK. Save the file. Run the code. Hang on a moment. You can see the output sorted by the unit price. Now let us learn about filtering data. Here we can see how we use filter on the Excel. Let me comment out the code. Type filtered df is equal to output filter not filter output square braces in the array. Type output inside array inside quotes type unit price greater than 50. Print the filtered df. Print instead the brackets. Type filtered df. Save the file. Let's run the code. Observe the output. OK. In a moment you will see the output. You will see the output of unit price greater than 50. Let us switch back to Excel. Now we will make a small change in the data. We will try to add a duplicate column. Copy the last row. Paste it and save. Switch over the code editor. Now we will make a small update to the code. We will comment the filtered code. Uncomment the print output. Save. Run the code. Wait, it's running. OK. Now observe the result carefully. The output will be displayed in the command prompt. You will see the duplicate entry shown in the command prompt which we have added. We did add an entry which is the last one. You can see clearly the duplicate entry in the command prompt. Let us take a new variable. Type remove. Not remove. We will not take a remove variable. So we'll take another name like. Let us call it as newdf. OK. Type new df is equal to output dot drop duplicates. Drop duplicates is a method used to remove duplicate entries. Print new df. Save the file. Let's run the code. Wait a second. You can see in the output the duplicate has been removed. We will see how to export the data. Now let us save the processed data. You can also save the NUDF to the new Excel file. Just type new df dot to Excel. _Excel is used to save data to an Excel file. Provide the path to the Excel. Just copy the path from the above. We will change the name of the Excel. Let's say output. We don't need index, so .ok. Type comma index is equal to false. OK. Save the file. Let's run. The new Excel has been created. Let's check in the code editor. You can see the output Excel has been created. Right-click on Reveal in File Explorer. Wait few seconds. Let's go the Excel file and open it. The Excel file has been created with all the data. It contains all the columns along with their data. You can review the complete information in the file. Now let us understand group by in Pandas. These are used with the aggregate functions. Group by is used to split the data, apply a function and then combine the results. Let's comment out the existing print statement. Group values is equal to output group by function group by region. Let's apply sum on the unit price. Type unit price dot sum function. OK. Print the grouped values. Save the file. Run the code. Let's wait. In a moment, you will see the result adds all values within each group as shown the result. There are many aggregate functions such as minimum, median, maximum and others. Let us explore a few of them. Similarly, we can see another function that is min and just replace the sum function with the min. Save the file. And run the code. Result shows the min value for unit price for each region. Let's see how median works. Just replace the min function with median function. Save the file. Run the code. Wait for a while. Let's see. You will see it will give he middle unit price for each region. Since there are some other aggregate functions which you can try by your own.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.